And the organizers of Drift Eruption are promising an exciting season this year as there will be more drivers plus an overseas interest. The first event in the 5-race series starts on May 24 at Junction Pines Plaza.
The sport of drift racing has brought an excitement to fans locally, as unlike traditional racing where the goal is the fastest lap time, drift racing is judged on vehicle control, angle, speed and style. In 2024, there was a test series with the official competition taking place a year later. With the excitement built from last year, the organizers are going bigger this year in order to give fans more.
We have new builds, we have teams coming in, much better prepared car, so the fans can look for an exciting series. As we said, we have two different high-speed setup. We have the car park drift, and we have the high-speed, 3 high-speed events. So it's going to be very exciting for 2026.
In the first staging last year, it was just about 12 drivers who took part, but this year, that number has increased.
We're anticipating over 25 competitors for this season, to the amount of bills we have and the inquiries as drivers getting prepared. Overseas, we have some interest from overseas, but the logistics has not been worked out how to bring the cars in, and we're working on it as we speak.
Falmouth is a new venue added to the series, and they will host the second staging in July. Dover follows in October, followed by Jam West in November and Vernon Field in December. Interesting drivers can visit the Drift Eruption IG page on how to enter.